Wahala don dey as Rivers local government area administrator deny im resignation. He say dey attack am. Welcome, country people, to Senate Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go give you alert of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Una go recall some few days back where the tori enter say the Ahoda East local government area local administrator Goodluck Iheanacho he come tender a resignation letter say he won't go back to private practice. That news e can't keep everybody on edge because now just 10 weeks after they swear am in as local government administrator, na im come dey say he won't return to private practice. I still recall how we put am for our bulletin say na two things dey play out. Either the man wan resign make e for contest for the forthcoming local government election or something dey play out. And now e come dey be like say our prediction incorrect as the tori when e dey enter now. The sole administrator of Ahoda East local government area for Rivers State, Goodluck Iheanacho, he don deny report say he resigned from office. On Friday, one letter when they date June 20, 2025, and they address am to the government house for Port Harcourt, e come surface where Iheanacho purportedly come express im intention to step down due to a desire to return to the private sector. However, for one radio interview, Iheanacho come talk say e still dey office and say make the public disregard the letter when they circulate on social media. He claim say he not sign that letter.